How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add TPU filament to the Creality Print slicer. Now, this will only be applicable for certain printer models. If your printer doesn't support it, you can simply change it by navigating through the printer category. And from here, in my case, I'm using the Creality K1SE 0.4 nozzle. The first thing that you want to do when adding a new filament custom is to click on the plus icon, or you could just directly head over to the set filament to use option. From here, this pop-up menu will show up, on which you just have to select your brand supplier. In my case, I'm using the Creality. And then we have the filament type for something like ABS, ASA, PETG, PLA, and lastly, we have the TPU. In my case, I'm using the TPU HP TPU. Click on confirm, and if you click on this drop-down menu, you will now be able to select the TPU filament. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.